There's a name for people like you. What was it again? Oh, that's right. Artists. A bunch of dreamers, shapers, doers. Making something from nothing. Creative to the core. We at Speedball get you because we are you. This is our studio. We hand make stuff like this and that, so you can hand make stuff like this and that, and all of those. We've been making art supplies since 1899, and then these two guys came along. Talk about visionaries with grit. They took a chance and invested in people, because you and us, we're inseparable, like ink and paper, fire and clay, linked by a common drive to create. Behind every Speedball product, you'll find us. We've dedicated years, sometimes decades of our lives to honing our craft. Just like you, always learning, always evolving, so you can deliver that perfect stroke every single time. We're crazy about color and consistency, with a relentless commitment to quality. Because, like you, good enough is never good enough. No matter how you like to work, whether you push or pull, hand build or hand print, every little detail, no matter how little, matters to you. It matters to us too, like these guys, building and creating, testing and perfecting, so you can throw without a single wobble or hop, whether you're throwing 2 or 200 pounds for your next masterpiece. All of this is for you. That's why we develop products with you. You inspire it, you test it, then you use it. That's our favorite part. Now you, fearless creator, it's your turn. What are you dreaming of? You'll never stop, and neither will we. Let's make something together.